Welcome to this video on automating NERC PRC-005 compliance. We will explore a practical framework for continuous protection monitoring and predictive maintenance using the SEL RTAC. Protection relays are unique assets, often sitting idle for years. Traditional time-based maintenance leaves gaps, creating risks like hidden failures or degraded communication, which remain invisible until a fault occurs. Automation shifts maintenance from a reactive, manual process to a real-time, predictive strategy. By moving from spreadsheets to a continuous audit trail, you ensure system health and keep generation online. The SEL RTAC acts as a substation-hardened data concentrator. By utilizing existing infrastructure and software libraries, it processes inputs and delivers automated outputs like daily reports and system alarms. Our first pillar is settings and firmware verification. By comparing a computed 32-bit CRC against a stored baseline, you can instantly detect unauthorized changes or potential relay malfunctions. The second pillar focuses on continuous CT and PT validation. Through internal cross-comparison and fleet validation, you can detect hardware issues without needing an outage or external test sets. Pillars 3 and 4 address protection, channel integrity, and hardware diagnostics. We continuously monitor for dropped packets and hardware alarm bits, ensuring that potential failures are identified in minutes. Finally, we automate reporting and logging. Using the File I/O library, all conditions are consolidated into structured daily reports, while the sequence of event storage provides a tamper-resistant audit trail. To avoid alarm fatigue, we emphasize threshold engineering and smart supervision logic. Properly managing virtual tags and implementing strict change control ensures your system remains reliable and effective. In practice, these methods have successfully identified developing faults before failure and streamlined audit preparation, proving that automation leads to better business and reliability outcome. Transition from periodic compliance scrambles to continuous reliability. Contact Keentel Engineering to learn more about architecting your performance-based maintenance program today.